As part of the exhibition, we wanted to celebrate the connection between St. Gallen and Ireland in a modern context. So we commissioned schools in Switzerland and Ireland to create manuscripts using the early medieval techniques the monks would have used. It was important for us to bring the manuscripts and objects alive. So we show them objects from the exhibitions here to inspire their drawings, and gave them workshops about calligraphy, interlace art and vellum, and how to make medieval inks and pigments. This was to give the students experiences that would act as catalysts for their ideas, and to develop their skills to create their designs.
Our school are really excited about it, and I'm really excited to be a part of this.
One thing I really liked in the museum was the tower brooch. I thought the interlacing on it was so pretty and the different animals incorporated.
I like the idea of the animals, how they represent something.
I think my favorite part was especially writing the alphabet from the calligraphy.
I think the most interesting one was like the Y or the G, because they had like the nice tail.
It was really satisfying to learn how to do it.
I'm Tim O'Neill and I'm a historian and a calligrapher, and I explained to the students how calligraphy works, how they wrote manuscripts in the early Middle Ages, and then I went on to show them how the interlace patterns were constructed using the secret method.
I found what the monks did very interesting. It was very creative what they did by laying out the dots to format these particular patterns.
When you have the dots, it's such an easy guide, and then seeing it all come together is just such an amazing thing to see, because you expected it to be so much harder than it was.
In the last 2 days we learned to make ink, and we learned a lot about Irish history.
It was very interesting to do the colors, to mix it up.
They made the color out of an oak tree, like the fruits, and also the gum arabic.
So see the color change, guys?
Oh my God, it's gone black.
Wow.
I was very surprised at how, you had all these different coloured ingredients and then you put them all together and added the water, it turned almost black. And I really wasn't expecting that.
For Coláiste Muire students to participate in this project it's been really rewarding, and to have a hands-on experience of the raw materials, the vellum, the processes that were involved in the making of the manuscripts has enriched their educational experience.
Even I was impressed how they were doing, and they were very motivated. All of them, they were so excited, and they told me it was so interesting.
I think it's an incredibly unique and special opportunity that young people in Switzerland and in Ireland have been part of this project, have worked together to create artwork together, which will go on display in the National Museum of Ireland. It can only be of benefit for young people to know more about other cultures.
It's a nice project to be able to think about, okay, what kind of legacy do we want to keep for the future? They're thinking about what is important for me. It's also the opportunity for the two countries to get to know each other a little bit more.
So I was really surprised that Irish monks came to Switzerland and to St. Gallen.
Yeah, it's interesting to know that there's a school in Switzerland doing the same project, because they have a slightly different culture. That would be interesting how they include that into the Celtic designs.
In the design I will use the combination of Ireland and Switzerland, football and with the monks.
I'm really inspired by The Wild Swans at Cool by W.B. Yeats. I'm interested in kind of how swans represent immortality and love.
It was interesting to see how they learned the skills, and they gave a modern take to it, some with the writing and others with the designs.
I base my piece around nature because we're focusing with very natural materials when we're working. We also learn a lot about Celtic art, so I try to incorporate that into the piece.
I drew myself and a really close friend of mine in space surrounded by the world to immortalise us.
it just inspired me because growing up I used to watch The Secret of Kells all the time with my family, so I wanted to do something incorporating it. So I done a script that Ashton spoke in the movie.
And especially because we're in our school in Kells, we're famous for the Book of Kells. To be able to work on modern day manuscripts in the same style and same methods that they used was just brilliant.
Over the year, it's been interesting seeing how enthusiastic the students are about the calligraphy and their art projects and the sheer range of ideas. So I hope they really enjoy the project, and certainly we've been really impressed with the teachers and definitely with the students.